Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down and disconnect the keyboard to avoid damage. Once done, position a flat plastic tool under one edge of the spacebar and lift slowly. Make sure to pry from both sides evenly. You want to feel the clips release without forcing them. If the key resists, stop and check for hidden screws or a metal stabilizer beneath. Keep the keycap and any small parts in a tray so they don't get lost. Labeling orientation helps on reassembly. Once the space bar is off, inspect the plastic rails and the metal stabilizer bar. You're looking for worn clips, bent ends, or debris causing uneven travel. Use compressed air to blow out crumbs, then a cotton swab lightly moistened with 90% isopropyl alcohol to clean sticky residue. If clips are cracked, swap them for replacements. If the metal bar squeaks or sticks, a minuscule dab of dielectric grease on the rails smooths action. To finish, align the stabilizer bar into its notches and set the space bar cap over the two stems, pressing down evenly from both ends until you hear the clip snap. You should feel smooth, even travel, and a consistent rebound. Test by typing several long sentences in a text editor to confirm responsiveness. If the space bar still sticks or rattles, make sure clips are fully seated and the bar isn't bent. If necessary, replace the broken clip or seek professional service to avoid keyboard damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.